Hey guys, welcome to Amelicious Cooking. Now in this video I'm gonna show you one of my 5 ways of cooking boneless chicken thighs. So let's get started.
So here I've got my dry jerk rub, and here's my chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs that I'm gonna use. And this is my jerk sauce, jerk marinade that I have made. It's about a week now. So this is, I'm gonna use some of this sauce, some of this mixture, and my dry rub to season my chicken thighs. So what I've done, I've put like 3 tablespoons of the mixture, the jerk mixture, on the chicken. So I am going to just mix this all up together and get it properly marinated. So the chicken has been properly coated. So everything is properly mixed in with the marinade. It's properly coated. Every piece is coated. And because of this bank holiday coming up, it's gonna be perfect. Look at that. My mouth is watering already. Can't wait to have some. I've just seasoned it, and I'm gonna pop it in my fridge for overnight. Look at that. My mouth is watering already. Can't wait to have some. So here in this tray, I've just cut up some vegetables. So this is what I'm going to lay in the bottom of my tray before I add my meat. So I'm going to put the grill on top, and then I'm going to lay the meat, the chicken, boneless chicken thighs, on top of it. So here are my chicken thighs that have been seasoned already. These are seasoned in my jerk marinade. So I'm gonna lay these out on the tray here, and then I'm just taking these out here, and I'm going to lay them out on my tray before putting them in my oven. Now my oven has been already preheating, so this is just gonna go in covered for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, because there's quite a few on this tray, and I'm just trying to get them steam before, you know. Smells really good. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm gonna put these in the oven. I'll cover them with some foil paper and pop them in the oven. So now I've covered the tray with foil paper. So now I'm gonna pop them in my oven and let it steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. Chicken from the oven, I'm gonna put them back in the oven uncovered. So just so they can get some color on them. And I'm gonna do both sides, so I'll show you the next step. So now it has been 15 minutes, and I'm gonna use this baster I use for my turkey, and I'm gonna baste it. So this is a turkey baster. I always use this on, you know, it's a turkey baster, but I use it for chicken. So I'm gonna just baste it with a bit of the liquid from the pan because I need this to get some color as well. So I think I've turned down the oven a little bit, but I'm going to turn it back up so I can get some nice color on the chicken, and I don't want it drying out. So this basting is to reduce the chicken from drying out. So now all the seasoning at the bottom of the pan, I'm gonna take it out, put it in another container to make some gravy. Look at that. So I'm gonna pop it back in, turn them over, pop it back in, and then I'll show you what I do after that. So I've just basted them again, like what I've showed you before. And now I'm gonna put them back in the oven. So all of this nice goodness, I'm going to make a gravy with it. This chicken is delicious.
Now for the jerk marinade, you can check out a link in my description below in this video. I'm going to leave a link down there so you can check it out.
So I've just removed these. This is my last 15 minutes in the oven. And I've removed them from the oven just now. So look at it. Nice color on them. They're nice and juicy. I don't want to dry them out too much. So.
Remember to turn your post notification on, so whenever I upload another video, you won't miss it. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.